What's going on, everybody? Coach Chrispect here, and welcome to the next video for Amazon Selling Hustle. In this video, I am going to talk about and go over the bonus module 10 fast track action plan checklist. So this checklist that is on the Amazon Selling Hustle course is a 5-day action packed checklist. So again, my goal as a coach is to help you as a student take action. Take action and start pursuing your professional Amazon career. If I can do that and you've taken your steps, started your account, looked at product research, launched something and your store is live, that's the finish line for me. Once you're live, it's the finish line of the first race. Now the second race begins. The second race is helping you to make money selling on Amazon. But first, people have to take that little step, which is not hard at all. And it literally, you can do it in one day. You can go live on Amazon in one day. You can go to the store today, to a clearance store, buy $100 worth of stuff or $50 worth of clearance stuff that scans well, has a good rank, that's going to make you money. You can package it up in a box. Maybe that equals a total of 20 things or 10 things or 15 things. Ship that box to Amazon. It arrives at Amazon in 2 days, goes live on the third day. In 3 days from today, you are live. Your product is live. Your store is live. That's it. You don't have to set up anything else. The rest is set up for you. You just have to buy the product and send it to Amazon. That's it. You have to sign up for a store. It's like signing up for a Hotmail account. That's it. You can choose to be basic and not pay a monthly fee, or you can choose the $30 a month fee, $1 a day, and be a professional seller on Amazon. But your products that you sent will be live. Your store is live. That's action. That's taking action in the right step. Then when you start seeing paychecks roll in every 2 weeks and you're like, made an extra $100 this 2 weeks, an extra $100. Or maybe you made an extra $250, whatever the case may be. Maybe you sold $650 in your first 2 weeks and you're making half of that in profit. That's taking action. Now my goal, so that's kind of my finish line for people. I want people to get there. But what we're going to do with this checklist is I'm going to show you guys live in our private Amazon group that's exclusive to course, to those who signed up for my course. And in the private Facebook group, I'm going to show you guys how to, in a span of 5 days, find a product, resource the product, spec the product, buy the product or start the factory production. Okay, that will all be done within 3 days. Then we'll have like a 2-week lull point. I'll probably go do an arbitrage session for you guys and do it live for you guys on Amazon Selling Hustle while we're waiting. So we have a little bit of break. When the products arrive, day 4 and 5, I'm going to show you how to create and optimize a listing for what I bought and found. I'm going to show you how to maximize it, buy my photos on Fiverr, get my photos, get my brand, all of that set up and have that product go live. Then I'm going to show you in 5 days. We're live with our private label selling product. Then on the 6th day onwards, I'm going to show you how I get reviews for my product, how I do customer service for my product, how I maximize my review acquisition from customers because I spoil them to death with great customer service. Then I'm going to show you how those reviews translate to sales and my sales and rank grow to page 1 for the keywords that are in my listing title. And then I'm going to show you how I expand into multiple keywords wide and start turning 10 sales into 30 sales a month because of my width. And then how I expand into social media and start driving and funneling sales to my listing and start turning 30 sales a day into 40 sales a day at $10 profit off of one product. And how I can take a product that should only be making a person $100 a day and turn it into making a person $400 a day. Times that by 7 days a week, that's $2,800 a week. Times that by 10, that's 28,000 every 10 weeks. Times that by 5, that's 200, that's 100,000, 128, 140,000 over the course of a year from one product. I'm going to show that live on the Amazon channel from front to back. It's starting right now. So just make sure you tune in, buy the course. You got the course, you're in, you're taking action, and you are live in the Facebook group. You're chatting, you're shooting me messages, you're shooting other people's messages, you're posting products that you find. You don't have to tell people about your product. They don't have, the Jungle Scouts already hides the product information. They just put the sales, reviews, and other criteria that people can also analyze and say yay or nay, or home run or base hit or strikeout or grand slam, wherever the case may be. So just a great community, just a great way to help keep you motivated into taking action. So our case study, we're going to call it the $25,000 a month case study. I'm going to show you how to get there. And so we'll go over what day one is going to look like. We're going to rise and grind. In day one, we're going to, step one, sign up for the following accounts. Professional Amazon Seller Central account. So for your marketplace, whether it's your Amazon.com or .ca or .mx, Alibaba account, a PayPal account so that you can get paid every 2 weeks. A PayPal account so that you can pay your factories with PayPal. Alibaba, you'll need your bank account information and a couple pieces of ID. Your Amazon Seller Central app, we're going to download that onto our phones so we can check that. I'm going to even check and show you live app checks, every update every couple hours. I may just do a screen share, compile that together into a minute of me checking over the course of the day my sales growing for that product. You're going to sign up for Fiverr. You're going to get on and log on, sign up an account so you can get product photos, your brand logo. ℙ𝕙𝕬𝕚, you're going to go and register for ℙ𝕙𝕬𝕚 and fetch your bookkeeping. You can wait on that till once your product's live and you're making money right away, but those are two things that I put in there, steps you may want to do. This is all day one stuff. So step one in day one. Step two in day one, you're going to join this Facebook groups, the following Facebook groups, primarily Amazon Selling Hustle, but you should join my Coach Chrispect Facebook page, join Jungle Scout Product Research Club, join Entrepreneur University, join Sweat Equity Millionaires Club, and those are the groups that I've started. Entrepreneur University being a great source for books that you should be reading, all content, articles you should be studying, and looking at other apps that you should download onto your computer, Amazon related, entrepreneur related. Sweat Equity Millionaires, how to become a millionaire. Step three in day one, you're going to purchase Jungle Scouts tools, Amazon's research tools, so the web app and Chrome extension. You're going to subscribe for a monthly subscription for the web app, and then just buy the $199 option for the Chrome extension. Step four, day one, you're going to start researching product using the tools, the Jungle Scout tools. Step five, you're going to check out products that you find. You're going to check them for patents on Google, patent.google.com. Make sure that they're not patented. Step six, in day one, you're going to source the product that you found or the products that you found on Alibaba. See what you can get them for. Try to find a price that meets your budget. Step seven, you're going to submit an RFQ, request for quote, with these factories, all in day one. So that's everything you're going to do in day one. Once you've submitted your quotes in day one, you have to get your quotes. You have to find a product in day one. You have however many hours to do that in day one. So you're going to have to grind and find that product and don't stop until you found it. Try every avenue. I'll show you Jungle Scout's way, but if I don't find a product through there, I'm going to try social media. I'm going to try top 100. I'm going to try hot and trending products. I'm going to try newspaper articles. I'm going to try sourcing sites. I'm going to try like DHgate and global sources and madeinchina.com. I'm going to try trending products on Google. I'm going to try the coupon section on Amazon. I'm going to look everywhere for products that are hot and new and being launched, and I'm going to find a product day one that I'm going to be able to source on Amazon. So then I'm going to day two, or actually after that, I'm going to submit an RFQ for quotes. I'm going to pick one of the factories to make my product. And day two, I'm going to buy 10, probably just buy 10 authentic GS1 barcodes from the barcode company that I use. I always draw a blank on the name of them, but they're in the resource section. I am going to step 9 on day 2, check Amazon and confirm its selling eligibility. Step 10 on day 2, come up with a brand name for what the product is I found. Go to step 11, day 2, step 11, go to Fiverr and source a logo. I'll do it for $5. Day 2, step 12, I'm going to create or outsource the product photos, but before that I'm going to make sure I'm eligible for those products by checking on Amazon. Then I'm going to create the product listing photos for it, or I'll have someone Fiverr do it for me. I'll get 5 of them at $5 each, done by Photoshop. It'll cost me $25. Step 13 on day 2, I'm going to send the factory 30% through PayPal. So that will be taken care of. So now the factory is going to be starting to produce it. I'm halfway there. I'm 50%. So day 3, I'm going to do preparation. So day 2 was creative and financial investment. Day 3 is your preparation day. So day 3, step 14, I'm going to create a basic listing using Seller Central. I am going to, on step 15 on day 3, create a shipping plan, get the factory the FN SKU, and send them shipping labels. I am going to, on day 3, optimize my listing. After that, optimize my photos. I should have them by then. My bullet points, my title, and my search terms. I'll get that all done. Step 17 on day 3 is optional, but I might do a retail arbitrage session while I'm waiting for the products live in the group. Day 4, day 4 is product arrival and then traction and hustle. So day 4, step 19, I'm going to confirm product arrived and that the listing is live. Step 20 on day 4, I'm going to price my product as low as I can. I'm going to list it in Lightning Deals and try to get at least 3, a minimum of 3 verified reviews. Step 21 on day 4, I'm going to hustle to get product sales. Step 22, I'm going to hustle to solicit product reviews. Step 23 on day 4, I'm going to hustle when I have 5 reviews and run my first automatic pay-per-click campaign, advertising campaign. Step 24 on day 4, I'm going to hustle and run my coupon for my ad for my product as well. On day 5, next day, I'm going to advertise more, monetize, and manage my listing. So we are now probably 2 days into the listing being live. I'm going to run an automatic PPC report, see if I have anything with 1 day sales or any search criteria. I am going to start a Facebook page and for the brand, and I'm going to run a Facebook ad and try to funnel some sales and get myself some opportunity. I'm going to start an Instagram page. I'm going to start a YouTube channel and do a couple, hopefully, viral videos. I may hire someone to do me a viral video on Fiverr for the product that I launch. Step number 26. Hopefully I have enough criteria, but I'm going to try to run a manual campaign for my listing. Hopefully I have enough reviews by then. Step 27 on day 5, I'm going to manage the listing daily. So I'm going to keep improving on my listing quality score. I'm going to try to keep improving my bullet points. I'm going to do a lot of kind of setup for split testing. So I'm going to write down my first image that I'm using and the price points that I'm monitoring. I'm going to check my Seller Central app, review and run any review my running advertising campaign spend, track my sales, send follow-up customer service emails if I have any, respond to all the communications within 24 hours. By now, I'm going to set up ℙ𝕙𝕤 and automate customer service. So that's done. I'm at the point where I can't do it manually anymore. So I'm going to set that up through ℙ𝕙𝕤 or through ℙ𝕠𝕒𝕤. I'll choose then. Customer service tracking template is the other option if I don't do ℙ𝕙𝕤 or ℠𝕠𝕒𝕤, but I'm most likely going to do ℙ𝕙𝕤 or ℠𝕠𝕒𝕤. Step 29, I'm not going to do manual bookkeeping. I'm going to upload it all to Fetcher and let Fetcher do my bookkeeping. And then step 30, I'm going to legitimize my business and add a product insurance, liability insurance for my listing as well. That's the 30 steps in 5 days that I'm going to do live on Amazon Hustle, Amazon Selling Hustle. So make sure if you want to get into the door to that Facebook group and you want to see all this live, that you sign up for the course. The course is on right now for $444. It is valued at $888. It is on for 50% off, and I will try to keep it at 50% off for as long as I can. Keep it at 50% off. If demand stays high, I'm going to keep it there. If the demand disappears, I'm just going to raise the price up to $888 and let it sit there. And people buy it, they buy it. If they don't, they don't. But if the demand is high, I will keep it at $444 for as long as possible. With 2 other options, we have an option for $797 for coaching with Coach Chrispect. So you get me for a month straight. And for $997, you get me for a year. You get me one-on-one. We can video, Skype each other, Facebook message video each other. I don't even have Skype, so I'll have to set up for Skype. But we'll video message each other. We can connect. I'll answer it. You create the list. Make sure you're prepared. You have your questions. We'll go over everything you need to know. Any tutorials you need to know while I'm coaching you. 30 minutes once a week for 52 weeks if you need me that long. And that's all optional. That's available when you hit the link in the description down below. All right, guys, that's 5 days to launching a product. Some people take 4 weeks to do it. That's going to be the case study, $25,000 case study on Amazon Selling Hustle. Make sure that you check it out. Get into the course. Get going. Take action now. Don't wait till tomorrow. Do it today. Take action. Order the course today and learn how to sell on Amazon. Make yourself a cool $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, $500,000 a month selling on Amazon. Coach Chrispect.